Cosmo, you're 2 for 2, man. This is for all the marbles. How do you feeling?
Fantastic.
What is up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. And we are here today on the beautiful Lake Balboa. And this week, Jordan Peele is dropping his new movie, Nope. So in honor of that, I'm going to walk around here and ask these people some Jordan Peele-themed questions to see just how much they know about the filmmaker. What is your name and where are you from?
My name's Kaden and I'm from Van Nuys, California.
My name is Harlan. I'm from Reseda.
My name's Anthony. I'm from LA.
I'm Cosmo, and I'm from Northridge down there.
Heck yeah, all right, guys. Now, let me ask you something. Are you familiar with director Jordan Peele?
Not exactly, no.
Have you heard of the movie Get Out?
No, I haven't.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Which actor was originally cast in the lead role of Get Out before it went to Daniel Kaluuya? Was it A, Michael B. Jordan, B, Chadwick Boseman, or C, Eddie Murphy?
I think I'm going to go with... Can I hear it again?
I'm going to go with A.
C.
I go with Eddie Murphy.
You are correct. 1 for 1. It's actually C, Eddie Murphy, if you can believe that. But Eddie was... Apparently, he was originally cast as Chris, but Peele decided not to go with him because he was too old.
Okay, that makes sense. That's why I went for one of the other two, but...
And Cosmo, may I ask, what made you think Eddie Murphy?
I just think that it's... I think I've heard it in one of the, trailers or something like that. I think I heard it from there.
Have you ever seen any Eddie Murphy movies?
I think so, yes.
It really makes it a different movie. I feel like, if you imagine it as Eddie Murphy, like an older guy, it just kind of changes it, I feel like, a little bit.
Yeah. Especially, if they kept, the same actress. I think that would have been weird.
That would have been very weird. So you guys are 1 for 1. Okay. Number 2. What language is the Get Out theme music sung in? Is it A, English, B, Swahili, or C, Igbo?
English.
That's your final answer?
The second one.
The second one was the Swahili.
I don't think it was English. And I don't know what Igbo is. That's probably it, but I'm going to say Swahili.
It's B. It has to be B. Wait, I've heard it. Yeah, it's B.
B as in Swahili? B is correct. It is Swahili. And Swahili is spoken by over 90 million people worldwide. Cosmo, you're 2 for 2, man. This is for all the marbles. How do you feeling?
Fantastic.
I got faith in you. Okay, our final question is sponsored by Dherbs, which is the company we work for. There's an early Key and Peele sketch that involves 2 aerobics champions who are trying to sabotage each other as they are competing for a title. The question boils down to this. What does the word aerobic mean in biology? Is it A, needing free oxygen, B, not needing oxygen, or C, the muscle growth from dance exercise? The muscle growth from dance exercise.
C.
I'm going to go with A.
I'm A. I'm going with A.
You are correct, Cosmo. You're 3 for 3. You won.
Oh my God, we were so close.
And I see, it was the dancing that hooked you guys?
It is how are you saying the little skit that they created? That's what got us.
Acrobatic and stuff.
Yeah, acrobatic. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, Cosmo, you are today's first winner. Here you go, my friend. A little cash. Oh, absolutely. Yes, sir. Get a little cash.
Guys, thank you guys so much.
Of course, man.
A lot. Thank you guys so much.
My name's Kaden, and
My name's Anthony.
we just played the Street Smart Challenge, and thank you, Dherbs.
Hi, my name is Harlan. I just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Cosmo, and I just won the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.